This is Sylvia, and I'm getting ready to harvest these potatoes. Hopefully I got some. If I don't, I'll try again. Let's see. Nope, don't look like I got that. They're not ready. These little babies.
Never give up.
Ooh. That's it. That's it. I guess if they're all that size, I can use them in a crab bowl or something, shrimp bowl. There's a green. There's some weird looking ones. Maybe I should have left them a little bit longer. And I gotta get something to put these in. The baby potatoes. The Yukon Gold. Alright, let me go get something to put these in. Oh well, I was harvesting my potatoes and I guess my phone just didn't want me to record nothing this morning, but now I'm over here at my peppers and they're loaded. I got a bunch on here that's ready. There's gonna be orange bell peppers. They're pretty, a lot of them. A lot of them not ready, but I'll get them. Yeah, that one trying to get sunburned. It's so hot out here. It's what is it? It's 8:30 in the morning and I'm sweating already. I mean sweating like ooh-wee. So I'll be back once I get these all picked and show you everything that I got as far as my potatoes and a couple other things that I saw that was ready. Alright, I'll be back. Hopefully this thing don't cut off again. Alright, so this is everything I harvested this morning. These potatoes, they're kind of small, but I can still eat them. And I got a bunch of bell peppers, a couple of eggplants, and a cucumber. So I'm not mad. It's food. Yes, that is good. And I'll bring y'all back when I got some more good stuff. I'm gonna have to get rid of this phone or something. I don't know. But anyway, y'all have a good day, and may all your work produce a harvest. Y'all have a good one. Keep on growing.